Tiona. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a simple fall makeup look. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve it, then just stay tuned. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and we're going to go in with the color, this color right here. I'll leave all the names of the eyeshadows in the description box, but I'm just going to take that color and I'm going to apply it into my crease. So I'm going to apply this color to the outer part of my eye, and I'm just going to pack it. So I'm not moving it, I'm just packing on the outer portion of my eye first. And so now that I have it packed, I'm going to blend it out with a clean brush. This look isn't meant to be clean looking because it's like, it's definitely for a beginner. So it's not expected to look really clean. It's just like expected to be really smoky looking and things like that. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to take the color and just pack it on the outer portion of our eye. Once you've packed it on, take your brush and blend it out. And you just want to blend away like this harsh edge right here. So I want my look to be a little bit more smoky, so I'm going to add some more of the color chip to the outer V, or the outer portion of my eye. And then I'm going to blend it out with my brush again. Now that that is done, I'm going to go in with the color Mocha, and I'm going to pack that onto the rest of my lid. So I'm just going back in, I'm blending out chip a little bit in my crease so that I can make this look a little bit more smoky, because it wasn't doing it for me. So now I'm going back in with that same blending brush that, wow, I look crazy. I look crazy. Now I'm going back in with that same blending brush, and I'm going back in with that same color that I applied to my crease, and I'm just going to clean this up a little, just to add some color and blend it all back in together. Okay, so my face is done. For my face, I use the Fenty Beauty primer and the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I use the color 430. And for my concealer, I use the same concealer that I use to clean up my brows and prime my eyes, and that's the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. To set my concealer, I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is any color translucent medium deep. And to contour, bronze, whatever you want to call it, to do that, I use the It's My Rare palette by BH Cosmetics, and I use the color Brownie Bite to do so. So to highlight, I'm going to take the color French Toast out of the same palette, and I'm going to highlight my face. And I'm just going to be using a little fan brush to do so. Alright, so moving back onto my eyes, I'm going to take the NYX Matte Liquid Liner and I am going to line my eyes. I'm not going to do a wing because I just haven't been doing so well with my wings lately. So, yeah. So for mascara, I'm taking the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal, and I am going to apply that on my lashes. Here are the lashes that I'm going to be applying, and I'm going to do that off camera. Alright, so my lashes are on, so now I'm going to go back in with my mascara, and I'm just going to apply that to my bottom lashes. What's going on here? What's going on right now? So I'm going to take some of my highlighter color, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that into my crease. I mean, into my inner tear duct. And for lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the color Ginger Snap, and I'm going to be applying that to my lips. Alright, so I'm going to take these flexi rods back, and I'm going to come back and serve y'all some face, so give me about 1 second. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Tell me what you want, anything, I'm your best. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? Never can you sleep, never can you sleep, never can you sleep, never can you sleep.